Huh. Anyway, check this. Yeah, we in business now. We in business now. Hey girl, how you doing out there? Got something for you. Alright. So this little short little video, we're finally going to be putting on this catch can now. As a lot of you know, I had this one for the Scat Pack. And I think I got all the hardware. Just traded in your Scat Pack and you just picked up a Hellcat. Let's move this out of the way. Anyway, Billatech, it's on their website. It's like $50, $60 or something like that, depending on, and it can go higher with the options and stuff that you add up there, of course, because you know they are kind of pricey. But anyway, got this here. Got our catch can. We got the old bracket that fits onto the 392s. A couple more couplings, and I'm missing something. Yep, right here. Got some more fittings right here. So it comes in that little package, you know, right here. It just comes in a regular old box. You get fittings, another bracket, and some more hoses. And I think you can order braided hoses or the steel hoses, whatever. I got these, but we're gonna make it work. You know, listen to. We're just gonna get it on the car. That's the main objective here. And I really wanted to test out my little gimbal and the little stand that it's on. So bear with me and let's get this thing put on. Alright, YouTube, you. We're back this time, for real this time. And the video almost turned into a fail video, but hey, at least we got a little sunlight out there now. Oh, wait, yep. Got a little sunlight. And like I said, I get to try out my new little gimbal. So, good thing about us, you know, waiting until the next day, because I had to make a run, pick up a couple of parts, so I needed an Allen key. All right, my bad. I needed an Allen key. What size is this? I don't know. It's a size. Anyway, needed an Allen key and some wrenches. I got some wrenches now because the sockets I had weren't gonna fit, so I went and got some wrenches, the ratcheting in ones. Yabbo. Anyway, so first things first is we're going to remove the old bracket, as you can see here. So old bracket, here's the new one. We're going to take the old one off first, so we'll go ahead and do that now. I don't know how to really set up my little camera. Jesus Christ. There we go. Take this little dude out, because we're going to need that. There we go. She's a little rusty and ugly looking, but she's off now. Go ahead and grab and unwrap my new deal here. Is it a paper towel? Is this a fucking paper towel? What the? Yeah, there we go. Drop her in, and we got a problem. All right. Oh, wait, no, we don't. Tripping. The new one came with this stuff. All right, so I got you guys setting up on top of the fuse box. Should be all right there. Go ahead and just pop off this here half cover. Set her over here out the way. I can feel it. There we go. Yep. That little tab. Yep. All right. Here's a little tab that I was talking about. It's right here. Boop, boop. This little dude right here. And then on this end is these two little guys right here. Just push them down and it should pop right off. As you can see, see if you guys can get down in there. It comes off, this white end comes off of here. And this end comes off right here. Just in case you somehow missed it. So that way she's actually on her legs. Now you see this little bolt right here? This little doohicker, it's gonna slide right on there. Right over top of that, just like you see. Grab my little hardware. Let's just lean it down real quick. Hot washer on. Yeah. Guys, get down in there. Yeah, just place our lock washer on the bolt. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Not trying to drop it. Then we're gonna throw our little nut on top of that. Oof. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, I should have figured out which freaking, what's the name? And we're just gonna hand tighten it as much as we can. All right, so after a bunch of failing and me damn near running out of light due to my constant failures, just went ahead and tightened her on down with the old wrench, man. Jesus Christ. That was a headache. Went through every damn thing I had down here. That was getting on my damn nerves. That was supposed to be a simple 10-second job. Just make sure you got the proper tools. That's all. Jesus Christ. So you see if I can angle it down in there. There she goes. She's all tightened down. Nice and snug. Snug as a bug. She shouldn't be going anywhere. Now, we got to get the hoses connected. All right, TubeU. Jesus freaking Christ, man. We're back. Oh. So as you can see, had to do a little bit of modifying to this here. So I had to take it off of the bracket because I couldn't get these dudes turned down like they're supposed to be. Because if they were still facing forward, the hoses wouldn't fit. They would bump into the supercharger, and it's just not a good look. So in order to get the hoses to fit, because they're not as long as the ones on the 392, just had to loosen these up, turn them down. That was a real struggle. I have no idea what the hell they coat these threads in, but we should be good to go now. All right. So I'll go ahead and pop this back on. Snug as a bug. Snug now. There's no reason that this thing should be jumping and bumping and jumping out of there. All right. Next up, we're gonna grab our little fittings and such. So, on your long hose, you want to take this here 90-degree fitting. Should be able to wiggle it right on in there. Alright, cool. She's going on that side. On your short hose, we're going to stick your straight fitting. And okay. 90-degree fitting. Just gonna pop her right on down. Nice little suction. Does this look like it's leaning? Oh, it's straight. I'm not tripping. Your hose. Actually, this was a little turned backwards, so it wasn't too crazy. There we go. Catch cam might move a little bit. That's all right. There we go. Make sure everything fits nice and snug. Nice and snug. She's down on there. All right. Do. This little dudes. Let's see if I can better show you guys. Oh, wait. You see down there. That's where this end's gonna go. Right there. Right there. Boop, boop. Alright, let's see if we can finagle this on there without messing up anything else and having this take longer than it has to. Got a nice snap. She snapped with authority. Try to get our fitting. Man, these things are not fun, bro. These fittings, oh my God. Should be able to just get her up there, tater chip. There we go. Snug as a bug. Working with fish grease now, boys. All right, now we should be good. We should be good. I might give this down here, this little bracket down here, or this bolt down here, a few more turns. Come on. Might give that a few more turns just to make sure she's extra. I mean, she's pretty snug. Nothing's going anywhere. You hear the snap there. You hear the snap down there. So we should be good all around. Oh man. Now I know these are two different reds, but they're close enough. Actually, I'm not even too worried about it. If someone's willing to trade catch cans, you have a raw finish, I would gladly take the raw finish off of your hands. So, moving on to our next little project, man. The catch can install got pushed till today because I gave time for this little doohickey to get here. And it's just a little breather cap, man. Cool little under the hood ornament, I guess you should say. Here's the little ball up in there. I don't know. The light's probably too bright, but there's a little ball in there. You probably can't see it. I have to turn the light off. Anyway, this is a pretty simple install. All you're going to do is put it down real quick. Let's take your oil cap. Pop that on and off. Jesus. Why is it marked? There we go. Yeah. Oil cap comes right on off. Just set it over here on the side. Grab your new breather. You're just going to drop that right on in. Same way. Boop. Give it a nice little snug tug. There you go. Struggle. These things right here were the hardest part, like I said. As long as you can get them turned around and on, you should be good to go. One day I'll throw those fittings back on there to dress it up just a little more. And this little dude over here, it's a CFM, what's it called? CFM something? Oh, I got the sticker right here. There you go, valvecoverbreathers.com, but I just got it off of Amazon because in California, they won't ship it to you. But if you get it off of Amazon, they'll ship it to you. So fuck off, Cali. All right, so that's it. Half cover's back on. Just snap that little bad boy up there. Thing's still snug. You can see it rubs right here, but we shouldn't have too much of a problem with that. It's just sitting. It's not like it's a moving part or anything. And this hose is pretty thick, so I don't think it's going to cause any problems. But the half cover went back on. It's back up there pretty snug. That shouldn't be a worry. And that should wrap it up. Catch can installed. Like I said, hardest part is these guys right here, man. Once you get them turned around, oh wait, boom, there we go. Even less of the hose to worry about. You just get that thing turned down, even less of a problem. All right, catch can done, CFM done. I'll put everything down in the description. If this is you guys' first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and make sure you share these little videos, man, because it'll help you get those views up. Swing over to the Instagram channel at Low376Slow, all one word. I'll put that down in the description, along with all of the kits and the pieces and parts that we threw on tonight. Just short little video, man. Just little pieces bringing slowly making the car mine. That's all. And definitely a lot more to come. Definitely a lot more to come. Got so many things in random baskets. I got like 18 windows open in Chrome right now with just stuff sitting in baskets, and all I'm doing is just waiting to hit the buy button. That is it. A couple of things actually on the way already. But yeah, I'm actually glad this got here when it did, so I can make all one video. Boop boop. It looks good. Looks good. Looks real good. I like it. Anyway, that's enough. I'm out of here. Tube you. Peace.